Hi there, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center. Today I'd like to discuss with you this concept I was introduced to actually a few years ago that I think is revolutionary, at least to me, as to what it is we do as accountants, bookkeepers, and tax preparers. One of the things that I thought really clarified all of this is what's the difference between a doctor and a coroner. If you think about it, the coroner is someone who's taking someone who's passed away. They're there doing an autopsy, trying to help understand what happened, what caused the demise, what is now the problem that led to this current situation. Well, too often in accounting, what we're doing is we're looking at the past. We're gathering things, information regarding things that have now happened. It's over. And unfortunately in business, what we find ourselves doing is things that are months, if not a year end. What we need to be doing is something more proactive. And as a doctor, actually going in with our clients and helping them understand the more current situation and the near future and how it is that you can actually, as the accountant, help them understand how to make better business decisions. Let me explain. As a doctor, when you were going in for an assessment, let's say that you were having some ailments, and as you went in to meet with the doctor, they did some tests, and they invite you back in, and they have the results for you. Do they simply take the blood analysis, let's say, and hand it to you and say, John, Sally, here are the blood results. Go ahead and look over your information. I'll leave. If you see anything that catches your attention, I'll come back and we can figure out what we want to do. Do you then have the doctor walk out of the office and you're left with just these reports to try and interpret and understand? You cannot think of yourself as an accountant who's doing that very same thing with your clients. What you need to be doing, preparing those reports, but now interpreting that information. And you have to do it in a timely fashion. Having my blood extracted and tests run on it, having x-rays done, and then having those sit on some shelf and reviewed and not basically analyzed for 6 months, a year, and then I'm brought into the client to meet with them a year later, that's just not working. But too often that's what we do with our businesses. They come in once a year at tax time. They come in and after a quarter or a year, they're having us look at their books. This isn't accounting. What we're doing is we're doing the work of a coroner. We're saying this is what's happening in the business. Now, fortunately, the businesses haven't passed away, but that's the essence of it. What we need to be is a doctor who's proactively interested in the success and well-being, the well-health of our clients. What we want to do is take that information, run those results, provide them that data and information, but help them climb the wisdom pyramid. Have that data turn into information that we can then understand and interpret, and with that knowledge, empower our clients to make better informed business decisions. These are their companies. Let them manage and do what they will, but with the proper and current information that they need. And like a good doctor, invite them to come back in and meet with us on a regular basis, whether it be monthly or quarterly, so that we, most importantly, can look at the information, decipher what needs to be done and what's there to be understood, and help them. You need to understand that as an accountant, you are interpreting the information, the accounting information, no differently than an interpreter of another language. Accounting is the language of business. And as the accountant, you need to take that information, interpret it for your clients so that they can now, in their own language, layman terms, understand what it is that they need to be doing in their business to be more profitable and successful. That is your role as a profit and growth expert. You'll hear me, if you've not heard already, speak continually of this idea of becoming a profit and growth expert. I believe it. Why? Because what we do here is more than just coroner work after the fact. We need to be proactive with our clients and be progressive about their profitability and their growth. Their success is our success. You're not going to have clients if they go out of business or if they are stagnant. They need to see growth and potential, and that's where you're going to see your growth and potential. Realize this. You can actually contact Universal Accounting and speak with someone here who can actually help assess what your current situation is, what your credentials are, what your goals are, and help you understand what potential exists in your market. So I encourage you to do this. Contact Universal Accounting Center and speak with one of our representatives. Help them realize what your goals are so that you can be in business for yourself, but not be by yourself. Understand that with Universal you can be successful. Why? Accounting success is universal, and if it's about accounting, it is universal as well. Take care and have a great day.